Okay guys, you're welcome to this SmartExaminer designer tutorial. Basically this tutorial is to talk about a new feature in the application. Well, as you would know, the application the current version now is 1.1.0. okay, and a new feature has been added. Received lots of requests concerning questions, more like people do not want to type the questions themselves. They want to find a way to just have these questions automatically so that they can be able to set exams. So we came up with that feature, and I'm going to demonstrate how that works here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to set up a basic exam. I'm just going to create the paper, and you know how this works. You can actually customize them. Okay, if you do not know how it works, you can go through the previous tutorials for SmartExaminer Designer, and I'm pretty sure you would understand it. So what happens is this: if you right click on the paper, you would see a new option here called download questions. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on it. Now this interface shows up, which you need to log into your Ratelsoft account. Now this feature requires that you own a Ratelsoft account, and you need to subscribe for this service. Okay, it's a paid service. Okay, it's gonna range currently now. Okay, we're still determining what prices will be fixed for the service, but it's a service that's you're just gonna pay maybe once for a year or something like that, not much. So you're gonna log into your Ratelsoft account, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this keep me logged in so that it doesn't ask me for this again. So after it logs in, it fetches the schemes. These are just like groups of questions which are available. Okay, currently we just have that for the JAMB and this other one. Okay, so if for instance I click on the JAMB, it fetches the subjects that are available. Okay, I could click on any one and generate questions for them. I could also select multiple by clicking and holding down my control. Okay, the maximum you can select for each time is 5 subjects. So I could select up to 5, or I could just select just one. And this is the number of questions which you want. And I'm just going to put 100 there. You could put any number, but it has to be between 1 and 100. Okay, one thing you need to know: if you select a couple as it is now, this means 100 for each of the subjects. So in total we'll be having 300 questions. Okay, so what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to select any one here, and well, let me just, since I'm doing a demonstration, let me just pick 10. Okay, one other thing you need to know about this sequential or randomized is a feature that I sent to the server. Okay, if for instance you select multiple subjects, you want the questions to be arranged sequentially, more like mathematics first, chemistry next, biology next, or randomized, more like it's going to be randomized. Mathematics can come, a question in mathematics can come next to a question in biology, next to chemistry, and just in a randomized way. But if you leave it as sequential, then it's just going to order the question exactly the way it is here. Mathematics first, all the mathematics 10 questions for mathematics, the next 10 questions for chemistry, then the next 10 questions for biology. So I'm just going to do this, and as you can see, it says that the questions have been downloaded, and if you look, we have the questions here. What I'm just going to do here is to come and just pick one of that one. Let me just say aptitude, and 10 questions from aptitude. So we should be having a total of 20 questions over there. So I'm just going to close this, and oh, sorry about that. If I scroll down, you would see the questions we have, and I can click on any of them, and then you can get to preview the questions, and that's basically what it is. Okay, tell us what you think about it. If there are things you think we need to add, some other features which you think is not yet available, just let us know. If you're having any problems with any other usage of the application, you let us know. And I'm pretty sure you understand what this explanation is. Okay, the explanation does not show up in the exam. Okay, it only shows up if you select show answers after exam, this option. If you enable this option here as yes, it would only show up after the exam. Basically, this is used if you're running a kind of tutorial or training session and you want people to be able to see the correct answers or explanation if they are available after the exam. All right, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and have a nice day.